I'm now joined by Raphael Steinman and Alexis Steinman, co-founders and co-CEOs of Maxa. Gentlemen, it is great to be back with you both here at Snowflake Summit.
Amazing to be on your show.
Thanks for having us.
It's been quite the year for Maxa. 12 months ago, you stood here at Snowflake Summit and you won the Snowflake Startup Challenge. How does it feel to be back, and how has your alignment with the AI Data Cloud allowed Maxa to reach new heights? Alexis.
I mean, the journey since June of 2023 has been just an amazing thrill. I don't know where to start to describe what's changed at the company. I think just in terms of like a few headlines, we've doubled the team, almost to 50 people now. We've tripled the business, which is amazing, a testament to our teams and to our customers. And really what's been propelling us is what happened in January. So we had to wait about 6 months since our win for native apps to become something true in the marketplace. And we started leveraging that with larger enterprise accounts, and that really has propelled us to new heights, right? So that's really the new tool by which established corporate enterprises can engage with cutting edge software and tech in a safe environment, secure, governed, with all their control, but they're benefiting from all this best-of-breed software. It's an amazing construct. I think very few people sort of saw it coming on their roadmap. So since January, that's been like an amazing growth vector for us.
Great to hear. Thanks, Alexis. And Raphael, in some exciting news for Maxa, you just completed your Series A, and it's great to see Snowflake Ventures joining that round. How will this position Maxa and its customers for success in the years to come?
Well, winning the Startup Challenge really gave us a lot of visibility, and it really allowed us to run a super competitive Series A. And we like to believe that we got top-tier results, and starting to prove that when you build a company on top of the Snowflake platform, you are actually worth more. And this Series A is really giving us the ability to go hire out this top talent. And what's unique about Maxa is when we're starting the ability to go now target some extra large Fortune, even global companies, well, we need that top talent to go cater those with the bleeding edge technology that's on the AI Data Cloud.
Great to hear, an exciting next chapter. Let's dive into Maxa. You removed 90% of the effort from raw systems, data to execute insights. From a macro perspective, what trends are you noticing across the broader marketplace? Alexis, let's start with you.
I mean, first I think I can give a shout out to probably the best sentence anyone has heard at this show, coming from the gentleman who manages data at Siemens. And he was quoting one of their former CEOs, and he said, "If only I knew what my company knows." And that was kind of a brick and mortar analogy 20 years ago. Someone at the company had this incredible knowledge that would have been useful to the company. They didn't know and suffered a big financial penalty from that. I think when you bring that to the modern world, companies are sitting on treasure chests of data, right? But they don't know how to leverage it, how to make it talk, how to get the full value from it. So obviously Snowflake, the AI Data Cloud, is a huge portion to accomplish that. So I mean, amazing construct, I think applicable to kind of any organization, if only I knew what my company knows. In terms of other things that we're sort of seeing in ourselves trying to evangelize, this concept of data products. I mean, meaning I have all these systems at my company, they're all super complex. I need a way to simplify them, unify them, bring them in Snowflake, power automated analytics. And data products are really the result, right? Data that has been transformed, made simple, relevant, standardized, easy to use for technical people and for algorithms, and easy to use for non-technical people as well. So that's kind of the promise that we deliver with Maxa. But I think in terms of a trend, these data products is something that becomes liquid, that you can reuse throughout your enterprise, where all of the intelligence and the smarts are not stuck in some sort of BI tool, right? They're in your data warehouse, ready to be reused and re-leveraged day in, day out. So data products, amazing concept. I think that we're hearing a lot on the floor this week. And finally, enterprise AI, right? So everyone is waiting for those killer apps.
Time is now.
Killer use cases that leverage enterprise data with AI. And I think everyone knows, it's kind of the dirty little secret, that you need to give them a bit of help. These large language models, they need a little bit of help in terms of maximizing the accuracy and the trustworthiness, lineage, auditability of insights that are being powered by these chat interfaces, right? So that's, Snowflake is building an incredible tool set that anyone can leverage with Cortex and all of the LLM innovations. And players like ourselves can really manage, focus on developing the last mile of value add that really puts the enterprise-grade scaffolding around this and make sure that our customers, for example, finance leaders, business leaders, really get a chat-like engagement that they're all dying to get with their data, but that brings that enterprise quality and trustworthiness that they're looking for. So enterprise AI in the next year, and when we sit back next year, I think the world will have achieved a light year, a century of innovation in 1 year.
Looking forward to that conversation. Last year, you walked away with a Snowflake snowboard as winners of the Snowflake Startup Challenge. This year, you're walking away with more hardware. Always a pleasure to have Maxa back on Data Cloud now at Snowflake Summit. Raphael, as you look out, what's top of mind and how can the audience learn more about everything that's happening at Maxa?
So of course, our website, Maxa.ai. We have Maxa in the Snowflake app marketplace, and on LinkedIn also, Maxa. There's a lot of new things coming out, and we are super excited with all the Polaris catalog, all these great technology, Horizon, and of course the enterprise AI will be, we hope to be the most trusted source of ERP data in the AI data cloud.
Well, gentlemen, congratulations. Such a pleasure sitting down with both of you again.
Thanks, Ryan.
Thanks, Ryan.
And for the audience watching, I'm Ryan Green with Data Cloud Now. I'll see you soon.